Creative ideas from Dutch teak pallets. You can get creative ideas from used wood on used wood containers. Good quality used wood pallets can be used and made in such a way to become useful items and can also be sold as an addition to your income. Used container wood, or commonly called Dutch teak or Londo teak, or also pine wood. Many people have used it for household items, ranging from benches, tables, bookshelves, kitchen sets. Some even make them for house floors or house wall coverings. Because this Dutch teak wood grain has a very good texture, many choose this type of wood to be some interesting creations. Utilizing used wood from container pallets for some people has become a profitable field of fortune. By reassembling and utilizing this used wood from container pallets, the various unique and high-value furniture models produced are widely ogled and in demand by the Indonesian market. With a few creative ideas, design sketches, and carpentry tools, you can turn this pallet wood into a place for decoration, chairs, tables, cabinets, display cases, bookshelves, and other furniture and crafts. With the characteristics of wood and the value of the use of the goods, this unique model of furniture deserves to be an option to beautify the interior of your home. When choosing used pallet wood that is still good, make sure to choose wood that is still hard. For the best results, you can look for used wood pallets from factories or warehouses which usually use pallets of the pine type or pine wood, which is the standard for making pallets for overseas shipments. As we know, pine wood has beautiful and artistic fibers that can make the appearance of your furniture have added value in terms of its uniqueness and beauty. Used wood pallets for overseas shipments have resistance to temperature changes. Pallet wood from factories that were sent abroad usually has a fairly good resistance because the standard water content has passed the sensor test to become an imported product. For those of you who always have creative ideas and are always looking for materials and using used goods, start using this used pallet wood into something useful for you and the house you live in. Here are some models of creative ideas from Dutch teak wood that might be a creative inspiration for you.